So it's all about stirring, and this is palm kernel oil inside secondary takradi, the Twin City, and this is the process of how they prepare this oil. Man, palm tree is one of the richest trees we have on this earth, and Ghana is blessed to have one. We can have about almost close to 10 products that we can get from palm tree. It for me, how many years now did you
20 years.
Hey, 20 years. No, you're risky. Inside was the no to know when you are occasionally woman. And I'm my anti moon tribune. Hello brothers, sisters, I do this about cooking with Sindaco and I'm back again. Today I'm in Kojo Krom in the western region of Ghana, Sekenita Krade, where they prepare palm kernel oil. But before we start, I would like to give a brief summary or highlight to my audience who are not Ghanaians for them to understand the kind of oil we are preparing today. The main purpose or benefits of palm kernel oil is for medicinal use or purpose. It helps delay sagging or wrinkled skin, dandruff, skin problems, parasite infection, bacterial infection. It also improves health growth, making it longer, stronger, thicker, and bouncy when used regularly. It's also good for ear problems, which I have witnessed myself because my grandmother used to cure us with palm kernel oil. Mixing abombelet and amambi with palm kernel oil cure wounds, and so many more. And last but not the least, we use palm kernel oil to fry fish in large quantities. So Ghana is blessed to have one of the richest trees on earth called palm tree, and this tree has so many benefits to mankind or to human being. It also has a fruit called palm nut, and the nut alone has so many benefits as well. One of the benefits is palm soup. The Nigerians call it banga soup, So we first boil the nut, we pound, then we boil it again to get the soup. The second benefit is red oil or palm oil. So there's a link in the description box where you can watch this lovely video, both the soup and the oil. The third benefit is we use the chaff from the nut to set fire. And the fourth benefit is what you're about to prepare now. So hope you enjoyed this video. Stay tight, share, like, comment, subscribe, follow us on Facebook and TikTok. Let's do this. Orokodo. So after the chaff has been separated from the palm kernel oil, they'll now damp it for it to dry. And they have a way that they will cover it with tarpaulin or any other material to prevent it from getting wet when it rains. So after days, when everything is dry, that's when the real job begins. The cracking up of the nuts. So they'll crack everything inside here. So you see everything, they crack everything. Oh my God, it's really sad to see some kind of work our mothers or women do. I was scared for them because there was no protection, especially their eyes. I saw the nuts and the shells flying around like that. Man, it's really risky. And also, none of them had sandals or shoe on, and they were stepping on the sharp shells from the machine. The dust, I couldn't even last 5 minutes inside. Man, it's crazy. So this is how it looks like after, right from the machine. This is how it looks like. So I'm asking why the lady is pouring the cracked nuts over there, and she's telling me that here they work in groups, so everybody and their position. So over here is Sister Beta, and she has this point, and the lady who just poured the nuts over there has that point. So everybody and how they works, and they don't work like separation, positions and portions. Okay, it's really as a matter to see.
Yeah, we are you know soon. Yeah, the next of our photo.
So you can see that this is rough mixture of all the kernel and the nuts. Everything is being mixed over here, so they need to separate it. So it's a process on its own, and they will use the red sand over there to separate it. I don't know how they're able to do this, but that's what she told me, just told me. What's your Friday? I bet it won't be one. If you are not doing my father, then it's a huge place, and there's a massive production zone in the Sekendita Kradi, Sekunde, the western side, yeah? Okay. Yeah, so she's getting the red clay or red sand. So you're about to sieve this to get the nuts. Yeah, so she's mixing the water with the red sand, and that's how they used to do the sieving to get the correct nut. This is the nuts. So you can see that this mixed with the dust and everything. Yeah, because it's right from the machine. Okay, so over here, I say what you say. Okay. I know here. So she wants everything to be liquid. She wants everything to be liquid, and just stick part of the, okay. Yeah, so this is a sieving. That's what she's doing. So they use the red oil, the red clay. But I tell you, red clay in a day. I don't think let's go call them. Let's go call no. You said the ones now, okay. It's a separate of I know woman. Oh, passing. Auntie Lukman, I didn't want to pass it. And then that's not sir. Okay. What sir? Okay. So basically, right now, what she's doing is she's taking the one that remained on the surface is the real nut, yeah, the black nut, as you can see. And what she showed me before was is the shell, and all the shell has gone under the water. So you see, this is the remaining shells of the kernel. Okay. Wow. Man, it's interesting. Oh, woman. Look, I see. Okay. Okay. Wow. So she's now making a quick wash so that all the red will go and it will remain the black. Mahata, okay. No, woman, okay. Okay. One day, Mahata one day. Depending on what they know. I have Auntie Abeta, right? Abeta over here, and I should be giving you a rundown of everything, how the process. We just did the sieving, so now we hear where they dry the nuts. Yeah. Okay. And so you do how many days? 1 day pay, no way.
You hunter 1 day.
1 day, okay, okay. So this is okay. It's day no. So this is the final product after drying everything and sieving. This is how it looks like, yeah. So this palm nut, palm kernel nuts.
You see, yeah, and there we are. Na ya becho. So na ya becho.
Which you know. And need to take how many years have been?
They starting. Okay, you this to no pa started by 7 o'clock no. You can why you to buy that son 5. 5. Yeah, 5.
And like you do 1 hour na chill, you another undo. Undo 1 hour. By 1 hour. 1 hour na be actual. I'm going home. I'm going to be that anymore. Do. Oh, yeah. So basically, this is the oil, yeah, and it's been on for like an hour. This kind of oil. But I'm going to bad pot what do you?
That may a more woman. Only a national.
Nothing, okay.
But I let us for the end and once I year I don't do not and what national. Okay. And see a yearly day I had bought my machine. I are quadru. Hence, a quadru nature. For body. In Siena, on nature, Benny, and go up on the wall. And go up on the wall. That means ain't the crown yet, Ben, I'm going to be away side. Yeah, that's one. Yeah, they and go good. That's anymore, okay. And I had a choice. Okay. In Siena, no, not a billy back car, I had a choice. Okay. Let's say, yeah, you are no papanacas and Yan wall. I do, okay. Now you too busy. You know, to me, the children when I were what do you do, Mamma? From okay, okay. And there be a opera on now, or toilet. Okay, okay. So, or two. Oh, you see this one. But today, by Yaman, on what? Okay. On the 2 days, when you on the air, Conoca who be. I don't want money like a caboncho monia. On the afternoon, on the area, you do soon and them. He's been okay. On so chance I be on chat, okay. On Tony, Yenya, this is no quassia. You know, okay. See, you know, okay. If you're a who I've been, okay. They ask us, okay. And to Wednesday, Yanya, Bonia, okay, and could have been fiatero. This is a long process, and this is the first phase of it, yeah. So we continue on Wednesday for the second phase, where we will be able to get the proper oil that is good for human consumption, yeah. Palm kernel oil inside secondary. What's your hi, Joanne? Hi. What's your Friday? What's your Friday? Lily, okay. Man, as I keep saying, there's some kind of work over here in Ghana which the ladies just, I don't know if they love to do it or not, because all those kind of work is the ladies that do it. It's the women that do it. I don't understand. Like gari processing, pito, shea butter, palm oil, like all those kind of huge hectic work is the ladies that do the work. I don't know why they love to do that kind of work and the men are not doing it. Like it's strange to me. I don't understand. Anyway, hey, are you risky? Next time I'm when the papa now find inside was they know to know when you are okay show you man and am I anti moon shobium no you risky mo shop bro and I hit it some papa boy if you do shop boy man it's crazy, no sandals, nothing man, and I don't know why I'm dating no what was it? Wonderful.
Daybreak Africa, and the struggle continues. So this is the second phase where the grinding of the kernel nut and the boiling will take place. So after boiling, we'll have our proper palm kernel oil for human consumption. Stay tuned and enjoy. Orokodo. Yeah, so after grinding the seed or the nut, yeah, this is the final step of the process. Okay, so this is done. I'll see the family. How many hours? And cherry. And not cherry. Only 1 hour. Okay. So this oil over here is the palm kernel oil. Yeah. It is what it is. So, as I keep saying, I can't be where they make this kind of stuff without having experience of how they do it or what they go through. Like, it's a serious kind of job. Okay, now I've been here almost. Yeah, so we change position now. I swap. I know you me papa so then be final one in fee. Yeah. So it's all about stirring, and this is palm kernel oil inside second liter in the Twin City. And this is the process of how they prepare this oil. If you want to have if you want to buy palm kernel oil, yeah, you can call our mother Beta. What you want everybody? No, Mami, bono money. Okay, no, Mami can't mention no. And that after. Oh, this is so good. Legendary. 057 82 75 738. Yeah, so that's Mama Betta's number. She does the palm kernel oil. Yeah, so if you want to buy in large quantity, even small quantity, she can send for you. You are in Accra, Marseille, she'll give it to bus so that you get it from the train station, the bus station. Yeah, so contact her, make her proud, purchase her product so that she'll be able to have the energy to do more. Because this kind of work, if you do and don't have buyers, it's heartbreaking. Yeah, so contact her, Mama Beta. So that's it for today, palm kernel oil. Hope you learned something today. Subscribe to the channel, follow us on Facebook and TikTok, share, like the page, comment. Let's meet again for Shizm and Nizzle. I'm out. Profia yebu amaframa.